Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a business case scenario given to us on a courier company. Name of our company is Airdrop Delivery, which are going to deliver a products through the consumers with the help of drones. Uh, Tagline of our company is ready to reach in few minutes. Next, next please. Hmm. Brand name of our company is Airdrop Delivery, which are going to deliver a product to the consumers uh, through you through the use of drones. Tagline of our company is ready to reach in few minutes, and the attractive logo of our company, in which drones are delivering the products, carrying the products up to the consumers. In this group, we are going to conduct a full business plan scenario with my coordinators. As I am Omkar Dhawde, playing a role as a leadership with my coordinator Satyam Dhangar, head of the HR department, uh, Niranjan Tomre, head of the finance department, Ajinkya Gogre as head of marketing department, and Harish Chandra Pawar, head of IT department. Uh, in this plan, we are going to discuss on about HR department, finance department, IT department, marketing department, and other future and goals of the company. Next, please. Next slide, please. Human resources management. Human resources department includes the staff recruitment, training, and development program, effective shift schedule for the employees, and keep the eye of managing the employee discipline, working schedule, and training. Uh, as per today's competitive world, we are trying to speed up the deliveries drone in the biggest business. As per HR, the staff recruitment will held on the basis of education, skills, and operations and expertise. The total recruitment will be consist of 24 employees. We have 5 members in management team and qualified drone pilots, two employee for software development, and staff and support staff will be of 8 employees. Training plan and development will include drone software management training and packaging loading training, and also HR induction program. The goal of bin HR is to discipline work throughout the year for 2021 and 22. Various HR department has planned the strategies that structuring of work progress, competition and benefits, training and development, performance and feedback management, succession management, career development, selection and hiring. These are the various plans planned by the HR department for the hiring of the employees and for the working of the employees smoothly. So moving ahead, now we are going to discuss on another department. Satyam, हाँ, finance department. Finance department is the department which produce the money for the company to generate and to grow up the company. In finance departments, we have planned the different financial plannings, financial feasibilities, which helps the company to run the business smoothly and to grow their business. Financial planning shows the maintaining cash flow of business technology elements, budgeting, keeping records of actual spend by business technology elements, and compare actual cost on planned cost of to identify the suggestions correct decisions. Allocation of business units and capabilities at service fees. The budget for for the year 2021-22 is 10 crore. Company need to make certain number of revenue to reach break even points. Different financial plannings, through various different financial strategies, company is going to run the business and go company is going to run the business and reach up to the break even point within a 1 year or so the in financial planning and control, company has listed out the five various planning, that is listing, analyzing information, planning, implementation, and monitoring. So moving ahead from the finance department, marketing department. Marketing department is the department which advertise the product of the company in the market and increases the demand of the consumers to purchase the goods or to uh, make them goods utilize into their day to day life. In marketing department, our company has planned various marketing strategies and various marketing plans. So in marketing, airdrop delivery aims to find the marketplace of big opportunities like food deliveries, pharmaceutical product deliveries, local cargo deliveries. Uh, so in marketing, we are going to deliver these of different in marketing we are going to deliver these different products to the consumers. Hmm. Market is the fixed marketplace is decide uh, in Pune, where marketplace is decide in the Pune and with other metro cities, providing the deliveries. We are targeting local audience and surrounding under 70 to 80-kilometer area. The main focus and goal of our company is to become a market leader in upcoming year and establish a brand on the next level of air delivery. So these are the various marketing plans and strategies planned by our company to lead the market and uh, to reach at the best level in the market. So now moving ahead from marketing department, IT department, information technology department and software development. Information technology development is the major department for our company. As our company is based on the information technology, we are going to develop various websites, applications, and various softwares which makes the company to run their business smoothly and to coordinate with the consumers. In this, we are going to develop or we are going to innovate in our information technologies, like in software, making websites and making applications and making changes and updating in there, so that the consumers will able to uh, place their order and able to know when their product is going to deliver up to them. And through these technologies we are also going to maintain our business, so that any uh, so that any problem we are not going to face. uh, so this so in this type, information technology department and software development makes our business to make easy. So moving ahead with another department, future plans and goals. Company has decided various future plans and goals for the growth of the company. Some of the various future plans are increasing the number of long range drones, as the company is going to deliver the products in long areas. For that deliveries, company is going to increase the long range drones capacity. Generates IPO of company. Company is going to generate their IPO uh, in a stock market in upcoming years. uh, Various development which make customers more relevant. Conclusion delivery compare with deliveries more safely and efficiently and upgrowing business. Company is going to deliver the product to the consumers in safely and efficiently manner, so that the consumers will be able to satisfy their utilities, able to satisfy their utilities and to receive their products in safe and proper manner in short time. and to achieve the break-even point in upcoming years. Various planning and strategies are made by the company to reach up to the break-even points in upcoming year. Upcoming year. So these are the various future plans that are done by the company. And thank you, and place your order and receive your order through those through airdrop delivery, which reach in few minutes. Thank you so much. Satyam.